I'll show you how to make a vegetable boat in this video. It's so easy to make and so delicious. Let's get started. First of all, we need is cabbage, a small cabbage, and we're using 2 leaves from that cabbage to make our filling for the boat. And then we need a pepper, bell pepper or tatashe. Then we need a green pepper. We also need half a cucumber peeled back. Then we'll also need 2 boiled eggs that we're going to cut in cubes. We'll need a carrot that we'll cut in cubes as well. Then you cut your vegetables this way, just like you see it in cube forms. We're also going to use beef, and here are my vegetables cut in cube forms. Can you see the goodness? And you're going to fry this beef right here. I like the crunchy feeling that it gives me whenever I eat this goodness. It's so delicious, trust me. And then I'll go right ahead and fry my beef. You can see it, you can fry it. I like frying it dry so that it gives me this crunch that I like. Yeah, my vegetables are prepared and ready to serve. You can use the chicken in place of your beef. So I'm putting the eggs and the vegetables right into my plate. Can you see the colors? Can you see the beautiful colors? The red, the yellow, the green. Oh my god, this is so good. This is a good sight to behold and very delicious. Trust me, I've actually tried it, so I know what I'm talking about. And then we are ready to put in our mayonnaise, and we're going to use a tablespoon and a half of mayo. After you put your mayo, you give your food a very good stir, just like I'll do right now. Give it a stir, keep stirring until everything is incorporated, and you could see that creamy, delicious yellow, green, white, just name the colors of the sun, they are right in this plate. So after you give it a good stir here, this is our prepared filling, and then we go ahead and bring in our boats, and yes, a cabbage will be our boat. So you take 3 leaves from the cabbage and fill it up with the filling you've already prepared. You can put 2 spoons to 3 spoons of your filling in each cabbage boat, and then you serve. You can make as much as you want to depending on the number of people you want to serve. For me, I just made 3. I still had more remaining, which I made later for others, but trust me, this was so good that in fact I couldn't even eat as much as I wanted to. And yes, this is our vegetable boat. So good. This cabbage recipe is so good, trust me. Look how beautiful it is. And when you want to eat it, just wrap it up as if you want to eat a shawarma and just eat. It's so good. Thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye.